How to recover TurboTax password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to recover TurboTax password. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for turbotax.com. You will be led to the official webpage of TurboTax. Now tap on the Sign In option on the top right of your screen. You will then be asked to enter your email, phone number, or your user ID. Go ahead and enter any of the following and tap on the Sign In button. You will then be asked if you want to receive a code in your phone number or your email address. Select whichever is appropriate for you. I will select phone number. Once you have received a code, enter the code and you will further be asked to enter a new password. So, go ahead and enter the new password that you will be able to remember and then tap on the Continue button, and with this your TurboTax password will be recovered. So, this is how you can recover TurboTax password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Chains for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.